All right, so we're cleaning up here. I wish I should have taken some pictures before. This thing was covered in blackberries. So we haven't used this bridge in a while, but we're getting it back in use. Tyson is here. We're out in the middle of nowhere. So if you look closely, we've got a pressure washer and we've got Tyson working hard. We've got a 55-gallon drum full of water, recycling the water out into the pressure washer, and now we can pressure wash anywhere, including out in the middle of nowhere. If you don't believe me, I'll take a few. Oh, I think Tyson just ran out of water. Are you out of water, Tyson? Yep. All right. So if you don't believe me, here we are, middle of nowhere. There's our little pond. Way out there is the river, and we're just, we put this up here, I don't know, 6-7 years ago. This is what it looks like when you don't do anything. I think we pressure washed this about maybe 3 or 4 years ago. This has got the treated plywood as the deck with a poly coating, but if this was, oh, look at the bird. You guys check this out. See, this is why we want ourselves a little, well, somebody knows what kind of bird that is. Anyways, it's all aluminum bolts, aluminum fasteners, and you can see the deck, if you look over here, Tyson washed the deck here. A lot of people are using treated boards, and that would look great as well. I think this bridge has been here about 10 years total, but you can see when you clean up the aluminum, it's just perfect. So anyways, Tyson's gonna head back and fill up his 55-gallon drum, and he'll get back on the work. Alright, just in case you're interested, here's what we got. Got an ATV out in the woods here with a trailer behind it, and in the trailer is a 55-gallon drum to put water in. And now what we're doing is we're siphoning the water out of the pressure. Nice, and this looks great. Nice work. Alright. To the end here, look at the end, see these are the anodized bolts. Yep. And then on the back side, see if I can get you a backside view. You see the nuts underneath there. I think you can see those. Yep. And then the nuts are 6061, so they don't need to be anodized. The bolts are 2024. It's a little stronger and make for a little bit better bolts. See what we got here. Oh boy, look at this. RollingBarge.com. We got a 3,000-pound capacity, 48-foot long bridge right here. She is a beauty. We should start putting the year on these things because, dang, this one's been here a long time. Oh look, we got two kinds of plates. Look at this. Look at this one. Wow, this is fancy. Impressed. Look at that. Date of manufacture. It's right there. 10/1/15. So this is October of 22. So you are looking at a 7-year-old bridge, I'm telling you. Looks as good as the day you bought it, huh? All right. Well, we'll let Tyson finish up here. And thank you very much for a wonderful opportunity to show you